Some of you use suitcase connectors on your electrical wire. I don't. Come on, grab that sucker. Ah, well, throw that one away.
Pocket knife.
Pocket knife. Where's the pocket knife? I always use just wrapping method for bus wires, and it always conducts sufficient electricity that I get to play with a while and see if I really like it. And if I make a mistake, I can go back and change it real easily before I hit it with the solder. But there's a good old bus wire. I've got a lot of this stuff. Probably 15 years, no, probably 40 years ago. 50 years ago? When I was in junior high, I made friends with some guys down at the phone company. And they fixed me up with tons of wire. And this particular wire here is the wire I use for all of my feeders. But what I'll do is just wrap it around there. Usually it's more than this, and that's good enough to get my power to the track and let me test it and see how it's going to go. But to solder it, I use the gun. Now, you never put the gun there and then turn it on. Why not? Because then you have to heat the wire and the gun and everything. You let the gun get hot first before you ever touch it to the wire, which usually takes longer than you wish. And then you touch it to your wire and you apply your solder to the wire. If you apply your solder directly to the tip of the gun, all of your flux is burning off before it ever gets to the wire. And so you're not having any flux on the wire. You get your wire hot, you get whatever it is you're trying to solder hot, and then you put the solder directly on it. And that way you'll get a much better connection. And so that's just a simple connection.